welcome back to my channel SuperBeautyDezires, and this is Prerna. So today I'll be sharing very interesting video with you guys. Yes guys, I'm super duper happy about it, and I just want to share it with you all that I have just crossed 25,000 subscribers today. So I'm super duper happy and excited about this one because I had never thought that I would achieve 25,000 subscribers one day, and it happened guys. Yes, thanks to you all that you have subscribed me and gave me so much of love. So I must share one thing with you all, that I am going to organize one giveaway as a token of love for you all. So friends, all the details related to the giveaway are in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and do not forget to participate in this video, and let your friend also participate in this giveaway. So let's get started with this video now. So guys, today I'll be doing unboxing of Kawaii Box with you guys. So if you are interested in this video, so keep on watching. So guys, this Kawaii Box is the Japanese subscription box in which you will get 9 to 10 different products which are very much cute, and you know, kawaii means cute, so you will get all these kawaii items in your box, which are specially handpicked by the Korean and Japanese specialists over there. So it also includes stationery items or decorative items, some sweets, candies, jewelry, beauty items and whatnot. So let's get started with today's video. I'll be unboxing one of the Kawaii Box for you guys. Actually, this is the March Kawaii Box. So let's get started. I will be showing you all one by one all the products, and leave me guys if you love to collect these type of kawaii and cute items. So you would love this video, and you will find this video very useful and helpful for you all. So let's get started now. So tada, this is the Kawaii Box guys, and it priced at rupees just $19. So I'm giving all the links in the description box below. You may check that out and order one Kawaii Box for you too. So guys, this is how they pack all the products in this box, and you see here one of this paper, and then two of the cute little cards are given over there, and all the items are like this only, and I must show you all the products one by one. And as we all know that we do not know Japanese, so they have incorporated two cards in which all the information is given about all these products too. So guys, first product here I can see is this one. This is the Just Eat It mini backpack purse. So as you can see, this is a very cute and little backpack purse. Actually, this is becoming very much famous. You can see these type of bags in all the websites now, and it is the miniature of the backpack. So I really like this keychain. Actually, this is the keychain, so I really like this product. They have included in this bag. So I must show you how it opens. It has a very sturdy zip over here. It opens like this, and it also has these two straps over here and one this keychain, so that you can use it for your car or for your handbag or anything you want to do. And here it is written that just eat it. So this is a very cute message over here. So I like this bag so much. Let's see the another product in this one. So guys, another product here I can see is this one. This is the eraser guys, and this is very much cute, and actually my daughter is going to grab this thing from me. I'm very much sure about it. So this is the eraser. As you can see, this is a very long eraser, and one pushes is over here. Kawaii pushins is over here. So it is yellow in color, so it is very much good and quite soft eraser, and I really like this one too. And the third product here I see is this one. Actually, this is the keychain again, but this is the cutest one ever I have seen. So I must show you also. So here it comes. So this is very cute guys. I cannot resist myself to push itself. So this is the thing guys. As you can see, this is the yellow and white in color, and this is also the keychain, or you may hang it onto your bag or purse or your almirah too. So this is a very cute little thingy over here, and I really like this one too. Then next thing over in this box is this one. So this is the I must read this one. What is this? So this is the Heart Sweet Jewelry DIY Gummy, and I have not opened this one yet. I will I will open it really very quickly, and I just want to see how the DIY goes out. So this bag is this ruler. So this is the very good thingy that they have included is this one. This is the stationery item, of course, as we all know. So it is very much useful for ourselves because it is you know, a scale and also a stencil kind of thing. I must show you. So these are all the stencils over here given. Hopefully you can see this thing. So this is very much good, and I'm just going to give this Hello Kitty ruler to my daughter, and she would be very happy to receive this from me. So it was the next product in this box. Then next product in this box are these stickers. So these are all the stickers, and these are very much useful if you want to stick these stickers to your laptop or to your phone case. So it will be very good if you can you know, stick these stickers onto your almirah or wherever you want, on your mirror or somewhere, wherever you want. So I'm going to stick these stickers onto my phone case and also onto my laptop and also onto my camera too, because I am very much used to my camera these days to make these type of videos. So this is a very good thing that they have incorporated this time. So this is the second product. So this is the next product in this one. So the next product here I can see is this thing. So guys, this is the pen. So as you can see, this is a very cute little pen, and this is the Japanese pen, and very good. And you can see one cat over here, and it you know, opens with the click and shuts with the click also. I really like to use this type of pen which you know, opens and shuts with the click. So I really like this one too. So friend, next product here I can see is this one. These are the earplugs, I guess. So I must show you how does it look like. So it look like this. So it is very much good and very different kind of product for me. Actually this case is very much beautiful, and I will be using this case as in my DIY. So this is also a very good thing included in this one. Then last but not the least is this you know, these are the envelopes, and you can keep your money and some other things and your letters inside this one. So this is the another product in this box, and these are very you know, and these are 10 in number. So these are very good, and you can keep all your money or you know, passports or any other things in this case or envelope, whatever you may call it. So these are all the products in this box, guys. Now guys, comes the giveaway part. So for this giveaway there are certain rules. So guys, rule number 1. So rule number 1 is you have to be my subscriber. So subscribe to my channel. And then rule number 2, like this video, share this video. And then guys, rule number 3 is this one, that you will have to tag 3 friends of you, invite them to join this giveaway, and ask them to you know, comment on this video, tagging with your name too, anything with your name. And then guys, 4th and very important rule is this one, that you will have to comment on each and every video of mine that will be coming after this video. I mean on all the March video and all the April's video, and stay connected with me, stay happy, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. And for brownie points guys, you will have to follow me on Instagram. So this is optional, Instagram thingy is optional for you, because some of you don't have Instagram account, I know that. So these were all the giveaway rules. You should follow these rules, and what you will be you know, receiving, I must show you here. So you will be receiving this box. I mean, these are all the products in this box. These are all the beauty products, and also these are the I must show you the another box too. So these are all the you know, Kawaii products that you will be receiving. So 2 winners will be there. First winner will get this Kawaii box from the team Kawaii, and the second winner will get the box full of those beauty products, Japanese beauty products. So it's Japanese beauty products box will be upcoming soon on my channel. So you must watch that video too and comment on that video too. So yeah guys, it was my video upon unboxing and giveaway of Kawaii box. So if you like this video, please hit like to this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish. Bye bye, see ya, take care, bye.